All right, folks, get ready for an exciting deep dive into all the latest announcements from Google's Pixel event. The tech giant has really outdone themselves this time, unveiling a veritable treasure trove of innovative new devices and features. Let's start with the Pixel 9 lineup. It's bigger and better than ever before. The standard Pixel 9 model is joined by not one, but two Pro variants, the Pixel 9 Pro and the colossal Pixel 9 Pro XL. These sleek slab phones pack Google's cutting-edge G4 Tensor chipset, promising unparalleled performance and efficiency. But the real showstopper has to be the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This foldable powerhouse has undergone a remarkable transformation, boasting a taller, slimmer profile and even more expansive displays. We're talking a 6.3-inch outer screen and an absolutely massive 8-inch inner display that can reach a jaw-dropping 2,700 nits of brightness. Talk about a cinematic viewing experience. Google's not just focused on the hardware, though. They've also packed these devices with all new AI-driven capabilities. The Pixel Screenshots app uses on-device intelligence to let you effortlessly search through your saved screenshots, while the Pixel Studio app empowers you to generate stunning AI-crafted images from simple text prompts. It's like having a digital artist at your fingertips. And let's not forget the Pixel Watch 3, which now comes in a larger 45mm size option in addition to the standard 41mm model. These wearables are packed with advanced fitness tracking tech, including the ability to detect if your heart stops and automatically call for emergency assistance. Talk about a true lifesaver. Last but not least, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 have received a serious upgrade. These wireless earbuds are smaller, lighter, and boast 11mm drivers for exceptional audio quality. Plus, they've got a handy wing fin design to keep them securely in place during even the most intense workouts. Phew, that's a lot of ground to cover, but I'm sure you're just as excited as I am about all these tantalizing new Pixel products and features. Let me know in the comments which ones you're most eager to get your hands on. I'm personally counting down the days until I can try out that Pixel 9 Pro Fold and its mind-blowing display.